Hello, this is Simon Greenhalgh from the Code Programs and welcome to this Black Friday special offer. I wanted to take a few moments to walk you through exactly what we've got on offer today. It's the best thing that we've ever put together for the price and I think you're going to be really pleased with it. So let's hop over to the screen and we'll take a look at exactly what you're going to get today. Okay, so you get full access to the Dropship Code, which is our flagship course, which basically walks you through, as you can see, how many videos there are here. Many of these videos are a few minutes long, many of them are half an hour long and walk you through step by step exactly how to find high ticket products to sell on an e-com store, and it also includes the store building software, which is the exact same one which built this store you can see here, which is a store that I am running as part of a private case study in my private members area at the moment. So the stores, the products are really beautiful looking, the pages, everything, and this is all included inside the Dropship Code, along with all of the training, which teaches you everything that you would need to know. So not only do you get access to Dropship Code, which has also, as I should point out, got some amazing success stories of people who have built incredible stores. You also get access to Social Code, which is worth has sold for over $497, the total package, and there's 8 different graphics building applications inside here. You get templates for social posts, stories, covers, and memes as well. You can build your own memes, which is great. A logo builder with over 57 templates. The store builder, we also include that with Social Code as well. Business card builder, and then there's also training on local marketing. There is training on 10 training videos on social media marketing. We've got this scratch and win contest software, and then some training that goes along with that, which shows you how to use those to give away prizes and to get email addresses and that kind of stuff and build a big list. So as I'm sure you can see, it's an absolutely fantastic deal. Just again to recap quickly, you get full access to the Dropship Code, including the store building software, which has been successful for many people, including myself. Full course that shows you exactly how to use Google traffic, how to build a blog, how to use get traffic from Instagram, Twitter, Facebook ads. Then you get access to the full Social Code, which has got over 15 training videos on local marketing and social media marketing, plus all of these graphics building applications, logo creators, business card creators, plus the scratch card software, and training on how to use that as well to build an email list using contest giveaways and that kind of stuff. So it's a fantastic package. It's only going to be around for a few days over the Black Friday period. You're only going to get one opportunity to get this at this price. So thanks a lot for watching. This is Simon Greenhalgh. Take care, have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you soon.